Hi guys, welcome to video 9. We will talk about Python functions in this video. Okay, so what recognizes the function is you have to write def. Okay, this is the one which is defining the function, and the Python gets to know, okay, this is a function from this keyword diff. Okay, so if you want to do add, okay, send two variables like x comma y or two arguments for this, and put semicolon here, and what has to be returned from this function is return. Okay, so what has to return, it's x plus y. Okay, so and if you want to print this, you can call the function. Okay, so print and call the function add and pass two values which you want to add. If you want to add 2 comma 3, okay, just enter. See, the result is printed. The result will be printed as 5. Okay, see, now it's not that you can only pass 2 and 3. You can still pass more the other numbers also. Print add bigger numbers also. You want 100 comma 200. Okay, so print that. You will get it as 200 plus 100 is 300. Okay, so this is how the function definition and function calling works. See, here in this case we are defining the function and telling what function has to return, and here we are calling the function and taking the result. Okay, so now we can make a function which is doing subtraction activity also. So define subtraction. Okay, and you have to pass two arguments. Okay, whatever you have to pass. Okay, next, so what is that it has to return? Because this is a subtraction, so it has to return, okay, x minus y. Okay, it has to return x minus y. Now we can call the function print subtract, and we have to pass two arguments. Okay, what are they? You can give 500 minus 200, and the result should be 300 again. See here, the result is 300. Okay, if you want a still bigger number, print subtract. Okay, you want 5000 comma 200. Okay, so 5000 minus 200 is 4800. It has to print 4800. Say it is printed. So it's fantastic, right? So guys, okay, so I am keeping the video short as I've told you, because I am just sticking to on small subjects, and so that you can understand it in small pieces, and revision is easy for you and you will not forget. Okay, and in my video 10 I'll be talking about classes. Okay, don't miss my video 10.